How to add AI background in PhotoRoom. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you're using PhotoRoom and want to give your photo a new background using AI, first of all open the PhotoRoom application on your device and make sure you're logged in. After you're in, tap on Start from Photo at the bottom of the screen and then select the photo you want to edit. After choosing the photo, it will automatically remove the background. Now, on the next page, under Suggested Edits, you'll see a tab where it says AI Backgrounds. Just tap on it. Now from here, you can choose the AI background style. You can also describe your background in the text box at the bottom. Just go ahead and write down your prompt. Write down the scene you want, for example, a clean modern studio with soft lighting or whatever you want. Just go ahead and write it down according to your preference. After doing so, tap on the send or the arrow button at the bottom right and wait for the result. And there is your result. Select the version you like the best and tap on the save button if you are happy with the result. If you want further changes, tap on open in editor. And now from here, you can go ahead and further adjust the subject's position or size if necessary. And finally, tap on export at the bottom and click on save to the gallery to save it to your gallery. You can also share the image via any other applications or directly to people. While writing the prompt, just be specific. Mention the settings, lighting, surface, colors, and overall style you want for a more suitable result. So that's how you successfully add an AI-generated background in PhotoRoom and can create different scenes without taking a new photo. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.